Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about how to connect a Xbox controller to PC, which is extremely simple. So guys, before I begin, you just have to know that why it's actually very simple is because Xbox controller are natively supported on Windows, so you don't have to fiddle with a bunch of settings or download third-party software to make it work. It's literally plug and play. So whether you want to use it with the wire or without the wire, it's very simple, guys. You just take your wire. For example, I have this wire right here. As you can see, this is the USB-C wire. You just connect your controller with this kind of wire into your USB port on your computer. As you can see, as shown here, let me actually make this bigger. So as you can see, one into the Xbox controller, another one into your laptop or the computer. After that, guys, when you insert it, you will hear this click that basically the controller is now connected to your system. The drivers for your controller will automatically install and you're basically done. You can now play your games. Now, this is going to be about the wired connection. Now, about wireless, let us talk about that. So if you want to connect your controller wirelessly, you will need to go to your devices in the Windows settings. And you will need to pair your controller wirelessly. Of course, guys, make sure that you will need to have a Bluetooth adapter first, that you actually need to insert into your computer first, into the same USB port. Not the same as the controller, just another USB port. And after that, you go to add Bluetooth or other device, then click on Bluetooth. And in here, as you can see, it's going to start scanning. And this is where your controller will pop up. All right, so just find your controller and then you can pair. So as you can see, the tutorial on how to get your controller into the pairing mode. This is before you actually go into the settings. You need to just basically press the Xbox button. It will start flashing. Then press and hold the pair button. As you can see, this is what it looks like on the Xbox wireless adapter. A small light will flash for several seconds. Press and hold pair. After that, the Xbox button on the controller will flash more rapidly. This means that your controller is searching for the Xbox controller and the adapter as well. And after that, of course, you go to those settings that I've just shown you and connect there. And lastly, let us talk about Steam now. So if you're looking to use your Xbox controller to play Steam games, it's actually very simple as well. It's plug and play. You don't even need to install any additional drivers or anything like that. It's natively supported. Also, you can install the extended feature support driver for Xbox controllers, as you can see. So Xbox controllers are basically the kings of compatibility for basically literally a Windows in general as an operating system. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. Pretty much I've covered everything that you needed to know. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. Press like, subscribe. See you in the next one.